Income and other benefits available from real estate may be increased by adding capital improvements up to the point of balance in the agents of production beyond which the increase in value obtains. Pag naaga ni increase or increase, the answer is to be less than increase in cost. Effectivity of DOF Order Number 3709 on the adoptions of the IBS Philippines sitting is October 19, 2009. The law on normality of prices refers to pag naaga ni normality of prices, the answer is when the real estate demand or needs is equal to available listing inventories. A property that is rarely sold in the market except by way of the sale of the business or entity of which it is part, due to uniqueness arising from its specialized natures in design, its configuration, size, location, or alteration is. Pag naaga ni specialized, the answer is specialized property. The most probable price which the property should bring a competitive and open market under all conditions requisite to fair sale, the buyer and seller each acting. Pag naaga ni open market, the answer is market value. The ability of the property to satisfy human needs is, ito lang yun ang atong tandaan, ability. Ability is utility. Law on increase of price is refers to, pag naaga ni increase of price, the answer is demand is greater. The answer is C, when the real estate demand is greater than the available listing inventories. The Philippines has adopted this evaluation standard effective in October 2009. International Valuation Standards. The best practices in the valuation industry is generally accepted valuation principle, letter E. The cost to create a virtual replica of a property using identical materials are not available to similar materials. Pag virtual replica na gani ina, ang answer gyud ana is replacement cost dayon. Forces relating to population growth, birth control measure, migrations are factors that influence value which are categorized as. Pag naaga ni birth control measure, ang answer gyud ana is social factors dayon. Lower than the market value is called, pag lower down na gani na, scrap value na din ang answer. Pag permanent affixed to the land, so walay pagduwa-duwa, real estate gyud dayon na siya. Law on filing of prices refers to, pag filing prices, the answer is when realty listing inventories is greater than it needs. A market exists when the purchaser and sellers of a single commodity come together in a freedom of entry course that establishes single price of a commodity. It is the price of commodity taken from the field of competitions and controlled by a person having exclusive right or ability to produce the said commodity, monopoly price. It is the market economy where the prices of goods and services are determined by the interactions between the supply and demand of goods and services. Basta na ay interaction, the answer ana is capitalist. Short-term changes in business and economic activity that occur within the year resulting from either weather or custom are. Pag naaga ni weather or custom are, seasonal fluctuations yun na siya. A depreciation existing in the property to be determined the actual inspections rather than by any theoretical provisions. Pag naaga ni theoretical provision, ang answer ana observe condition cost to cure method. The real estate brokers and private real estate appraiser are mandated to post a professional cost indemnity or bond, 20,000. A statement of limiting condition is necessary in the appraisal because pag naaga ni limiting condition, the answer is it protects the real estate appraiser against conditions which he or she does not have control. It is the method to estimate the value of the property when one of the components of the total property value is known and the other component is estimated and based on the principle of substitution. Pag naaga ni components, the answer is residual technique. The Land Valuation Reform Program of the Philippines was spearheaded by Land Administration and Management Project. The real estate practitioner shall indicate the following information in the documents he or she sign or issue except contact numbers and email address. So, the real estate practitioner shall indicate license number found in the certificate of registration, professional identification card number, PTR number, IPO receipt number, data of issue, and the validity thereof.